And doesn't it just look bomb with my hair? Let's take those off for a second. I need to get serious here. It's the no part for me. It's the dramatic baby hair for me. It's the swoop the shit behind your ear for me. Alright, you guys, so here's the packaging. Elfinhair, stop playing. And they sent a whole bag of goodies. This is their gift set kit. It is valued at $39, so I'm gonna show you everything that comes in here, but you get it for free when you order this wig. All right, so really quick, let's see what came into this bag. Okay, first we have a brush. See, this is an easy detangling brush. And then here we have a rat tail comb with the metal tip. Okay, ooh, this is a curling headband. Okay, we just might have to try this on the wig. Okay, and last thing. Oh, you see this? I love the iridescent look right there. So let's see what we got in here. Okay, baby, they did their thing with the packaging now. Okay, boom. Got a clip. You got an edge brush. You have these like Velcro strips there to push your hair out the way. Ooh, we have some lashes. All right, and this is like a no slip wig headband. You put this underneath your wigs and it help your wig not move or stay in place. And so we got wig cap. Girl, stop. I never tried tattoo edges. Daddy sent your girl some tattoo edges. Now we might have to try these. Not with this wig, but I'm gonna try it. Let me show you guys the wig right quick. All right, so this is a 20-inch frontal wig. It is straight texture, feels amazing. It's pretty thick too. And I have mine in a medium cap, also some adjustable straps, even the bigger one as well. And this is a full 13x4 frontal, as you see on the sides. You still keep that same amount over there and it doesn't bring itself in over the side. You can definitely get away with a lot of parting. You have so much parting space. And here, that's the hairline. You see here that it has been pre-plucked. I do have to bleach my knot. If you can see in my part here, it looks like little black dots. So when I put bleach, it's going to just bleach those little dots and turn those black dots blonde. All right, so you see here before and after. Here's my bleach. I use this bleach by Wella. I use this developer here by Clairol. And I use this color corrector. All right, so I'll let this sit about 30 minutes. Wash it out, I'll be back. Okay, I just washed the bleach out. I did that. And then I only washed the frontal. That's why this part is dry. Okay, got my ball cap down. You gotta start off with a good foundation. Pat, 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 pat. Alright, so now I will be using this airbrush here to tint my lace. Because you can see here that this is not my skin tone. We're going to use this because it's really quick. Done. Okay, next step, hot comb everything back. Okay, so I cut the sides of my wig right here because the wig is like a little on the small side. It's like the sides are too, it's like the wig going back like this instead of down. So I cut this, you know, thinking maybe I can swoop it behind my ear, but then I'm left with all this extra right there. So do I just pull it up? That's a hot mess. That's like where the wig needs to be. So maybe I'm gonna just have to cut into the wig. Like cut this around. Let's chop. All right, now I can put it behind my ear. Okay, let's roll with it. I'm definitely gonna have to apply this wig with some adhesive, so I will be using my Ghost Bond. Okay, I'm gonna try these. They came in my gift bag. Comes with 2 pieces. So you literally just stick it on. Now that's cool. These are so convenient. Like, get the flyaways, push everything back, and stick it. I love it. Okay, we getting somewhere. Look at all that wig I cut. Like, you gotta do what you gotta do. When they say customize, you have to customize these wigs. And now you're gonna be looking cray. So let's cut this. While I'm eating these Pringles, you just can't stop. So I'm actually just gonna wrap my hair up for the night. Go ahead and let the lace do what it do. Melt, however. Okay, hopefully my camera don't lie. But remember I said I was gonna try this. Let's see. Oh yeah, my camera ended up dying last night. I did end up rolling my hair. I don't even know if I'm gonna do a middle part or a side part or what. But let's see. That's what that overnight do. It's melted. Okay, this is what it look like right now, and then I'm gonna comb it out. Do I want a middle part or a side part? I don't know. Do I want any part? Okay, well I wait on my edges to do what they do. Let's take these out. I just wanted to try this. Look at this all the way down here. Oh, got a little something. This hair, like the track hair, is so soft, but got a little wave. And I did it dry. It probably would have held more of a curl if I would have done like a little mousse or something. Ooh, look at these curls. Pretty. It look like body wave hair. All right, let's see how the fluffy edges do. Okay, you trying to stay, just stay. Ooh, you was a big one. Yeah, I'm definitely going back to using setting lotion, getting the fluffy baby hair. So, right, I think I just want to pull it out. Stop it. I don't know. I think I'm in love with it because I usually like to curl my hair in big sections and do like loose curls like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at the part. Clean. And you know I did put my bowl cap underneath. Put on your cap. Why use makeup when you can just wake up like this? And you see I'm just hot combing. I'm not using any product. Take you back where you was at. Boom. I did this Okay, let me show y'all the full look. Okay, this is it. Final look. Gorgeous. No part. Flip over method. Bomb. You know. Alright, you guys, that's all for this video. Definitely let me know what you think down below. Click the link as well so you can go and get your wig. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.